ating live para lumabas sa ating ano. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so once again, this is Gurography. It's a free let review hub. So if you want to do mock boards, daily mock boards, ano nangyari dito sa ating live yan. So if you want to do daily mock boards, mag-message lang kayo sa Blue app. Diretso na yun para mapasok kayo sa GC. Okay? So nag-start na kami actually last Monday pa yung daily mock boards. Okay, yan. So nagpapa-review din ako ng social science major for just 299. Pero meron pang slot for newbies, new enrollees for 249. Ayan. Meron din tayong 150 pesos na 6-month pure drills yon. So, mag-drills kayo ng 300 items weekly and then after that, ibibigay ko yung PDF niya with rationalization. Okay, so let's start. So, as I have said, world history and geography tayo. Okay, so i-type nyo lang. 20 points tayo. Alright? Okay, so get ready for the first question. Okay, so ito, what is the smallest continent? Okay, yan. So, lumabas to syempre gasgas na to, pero high yield talaga eh. Lumabas to nung ngayong March 2026. Yan, avail ako ng 199 po ba yun? Na-avail mo na yun, Ma'am Aram. Nakuha mo na yung flashcards. Na-avail mo na yun, Ma'am Aram. Baka yung sinasabi mo yung 300 item drills with PDF. Yan, yung 150. Okay, so what is the smallest continent, guys? Okay, so sabi ang bilis nun. Okay, yan. Yan. Oh, ba't nagbago ang isip? Okay, so the answer there is, all right, so the answer there is Australia. Okay, so ang Oceania is, saklaw niya yung Australia. Okay, but we are talking about the continent, so it is Australia. Okay, yan. So, lumalabas din yung Oceania, sakop niya? Sakop niya yung New Zealand, yan, Australia, and some mga island, okay? Mga islands, all right? Okay, next. Number 2, which ocean is the largest? Okay, sige magpahinga ka muna, then message mo na lang ako. Okay, mag-start tayo this week, okay? Para dun sa 300 item drills. Okay, yan. Okay? Yan, so which ocean is the largest? Okay. Go, go, go. This is nice. Kasi ang linalabas ko dito is how do you call that? Mga high yield. Okay. So, si Ma'am Aram pa lang ang sumasagot. Okay. Go na. Ayaw sumagot ng iba? Ayaw sumagot. Okay. So, it's fine. Alright. So, the answer there is... Okay, very good. Yes, of course, it is the Pacific Ocean. Okay, very good. Yes. And what is the smallest naman? Yan. Ano naman yung smallest? Sige. What is the smallest naman? Memorize na natin yan. Kasi pabugso-bugso yung mga ganyang tanong. Yung, yung parang iniisip natin na hindi lalabas kasi sobrang gasgas pero lumalabas pa rin. Okay, so ano yung smallest? What is the smallest ocean in the world? Ala, bakit wala? Ano yung smallest? Okay, good job. Yes, it is the Arctic. Okay, very good kayo dyan. Okay, number 3. What is the capital of China? Okay, yan. What is the capital of China? Okay, so habang iniisip niyo yung sagot, uh, sa China, yung pag-English ng ng mga Chinese, pag yung ang end sound is yung A like China, ginagawa nilang China, ganun. Ganun din yung mga ganun din yung kanilang ah kung ano pa regional defect, okay? China, ganun. No? Okay, may sumagot ng Beijing. Okay, how about the others? May ibang sagot ba? Beijing. Okay. All right. Okay, very good. Yeah. So the answer there is Beijing. Okay. So andun din yung Great Wall of China. Okay, andun din ang sa Beijing 'yon. Okay. All right. Number 4. At totoo pala, isang fun fact. Pumunta ako dun sa sa Great Wall of China. Ano pala 'yon? Parang kasi nung pumunta ako, nahihilo ako habang umaakyat ka, nahihilo ka. And that is ano pala, that is the design pala talaga. Okay, na mahihilo ka habang paakyat. Okay, ganun daw yung pagka-design niya. Alright, number 4, which river is the longest in the world? Okay. Okay, so ito rin yung mga pinag-aanuhan sa let. Okay, ano nga ba? Okay, Amazon ba yan or Nile? Okay, pakitap-tap naman yung ating live. Yan, at paki-follow na rin ako, please. Yan, okay, very good, of course, yeah. So the answer there is Nile. Okay, kasi nga, meron pa nga daw yung lumabas sa let na sabi niya, um, following something like that, parang following the Amazon River, okay, the longest river in the world, blah, blah, blah. So, ibig sabihin, by that question alone, na-confirm ng let, okay, na for them is, na-confirm ng PRC na for them, Nile is the longest river. Okay, yan. All right, next, number 5. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Okay, grabe talaga to. As in, gas-gas to na tanong. Laging lumalabas to sa mga math boards. Okay, so which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Okay, ay, alam na alam. Okay, madaling-madali talaga sa inyo to. Okay, very good. Yes, and the answer there is Japan. Okay, good job. All right, number 6. Which continent is the Sahara Desert located in? Okay, so which continent is the Sahara Desert located in? Okay, so alam naman natin, sanay tayo na what is the largest hot desert? Sahara, ganyan-ganyan. But then, nakakalimutan natin yung ibang information regarding one fact, okay? Mahilig ang let sa ganito, okay? Yan. Okay, very good kayo, John. Yes, and the answer there is Africa. Okay, good job. All right, number 7. Okay, which country is famous for the Eiffel Tower? Okay, so lumabas daw tong Eiffel Tower ngayong March 2026. Okay, yan. Right. But now, ang tinatanong natin ngayon, it's which country is famous for the Eiffel Tower? Okay. Country, country, guys, country. Yeah, true. Lumabas yan, sabi niya. See, nabudol kayo. Country ang sinasabi natin. Yes, okay. Yan. So, tignan nyo ha. Mag-ingat kayo dyan. Kasi yun nga, di ba? Ang lumabas kasi is Eiffel Tower tapos Paris, di ba? So, paano kung ang nasa option yung Paris kasi nang asar yung let? Andun din yung France. Ganyan. So, kaya wag magmadali ha. Okay, yeah. So, of course, the answer there is France. Okay. Sobrang excited sumagot. Yan. Okay. Good job ka dyan. Number 8, what is the capital of North Korea? Okay, so alam na, ang laging lumalabas is South Korea. Okay, so alam ko na alam nyo yung South Korea. So tingnan naman natin to. What is the capital of North Korea? Aba, may nangunguna. Okay, ang galing, galing, galing. Okay, good job kayo dyan, of course. And the answer there is Pyongyang. Okay, so balikan natin. How about South Korea. Okay. South Korea, what is the capital of South Korea? Yan. So if you want to do daily mock boards, mag-message lang kayo sa Blue App. Okay, this is for let pala ha. Yan. Pero pwede namang makipag sagot yung mga magsi-CSE. Okay, very good kayo dyan. It is Seoul. Okay, good job. All right, number 9, which river flows through Egypt? Okay. Number 9, which river flows through Egypt? Tingnan natin. Sabi ni Vincent, Nile. Money Tester, Nile. Sabi ni JL, Nile. Okay. Nile, puro Nile. Okay. So, good job. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Hint po. Okay, so bago. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Okay, kung hindi nyo alam, okay, it's okay. Kaya nga tayo may paganito. Okay, yeah. So the answer here is Nile. Okay, yan. Okay, kaya nga very basic yung tinatanong ko dito kasi by this time alam ko na mga bago pa lang ang mga nagre-review. Okay, yan. So it's Nile ha. Number 10. What is the largest country in terms of land area? Okay, yan. So lumalabas daw to. Okay? What is the largest country in terms of land area? Okay. Alright, very good. Okay, yes. Yan. So, ang sagot niyan ay Russia. Okay, pero yung question daw na lumabas nung let before is wala yung Russia. Okay, so, alam naman natin, critical thinking ang let. Okay, kung wala doon yung pinakaalam natin, o di kung ano yung next best thing. Di ba? Kaya kailangan din nating i-memorize yung at least first three. Okay, yan. Okay. Yan. Bakit Antarctica? Okay, we are talking about a country, okay? And Antarctica is not a country, okay? It's a continent. Okay, number 11. What is the highest mountain in the world? Yes, ang sagot dun sa question na what is the largest is Canada kasi nga wala yung Russia, okay? Eh yung first five largest is Rukachub, okay? Russia, Canada, China, US, and then Brazil. Okay, yan. So, i-memorize natin dyan. Okay. Bakit may Mount Apo? Ang hinahanap natin ay highest mountain in the world. Of course, yes. And yes, the answer there is Mount Everest. Okay, good job kayo dyan. Number 12. What is the driest non-polar desert in the world? Okay, yan. So ang ibig sabihin ng non-polar is wala kasi 'di ba ang we have North Pole and South Pole, 'di ba? So ang 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 North Pole is Arctic, ang South Pole is Antarctica. Ngayon, ang hinahanap dito is non-polar. Ibig sabihin wala sa Arctic at wala sa Antarctic, okay? Yan. Ma'am, for what grade po yan? This is general education po. For general education lang, but nagpapa-review po ako ng let. Okay? So, kung halimbawa mag-CSE, yung mga ganun, okay? So, this is not the subject. Okay? Yan. Non-polar. Okay. Alright. Okay, so let's see. Alright, so the answer there is Atacama Desert. Okay, yes. It is Atacama Desert. Okay, it is located in Chile. Okay, yan. Okay. As I have said, this is non-polar, okay? Ang na-explain ko kanina, yung polar desert, those are deserts na located sa either North Pole or South Pole. Ang hinahanap po dito ay non-polar, okay? Non-polar. Okay, grade 9 po ako. Pero alam ko po mga answer. Okay, kasi of course, kasi po ano to, ma'am, or sir, okay? Kasama to sa general knowledge, okay? Yan. Okay, all right. Okay, sabi ni Sir Vincent. All right, number 13. What is the coldest continent on Earth? Okay, yan. Kasi po, yung sabing grade na bakit niya alam to? Kasi, ano to, mga general knowledge ba? Okay. And general knowledge is kasama sa aming let exam. Okay. Para makita kung gaano kalawak yung alam mo sa mundo. 'Di ba, mga teachers? Okay, yan. Of course. And yes, the answer there is Antarctica. Coldest continent. Hindi naman po continent yung Arctic ha. Yan. Antarctica is a continent. Okay, yan. And wala pong nagmamay-ari ng Antarctica. Lumalabas din po yan ha na bakit may nagmamay-ari ba sa Antarctica tapos ang sagot doon is wala. Okay, parang there is a how do you call that, agreement, okay, between countries na any country can go there and then study kung ano yung nangyayari doon. Okay, yan, lumalabas din yon. All right, okay. Guys, Guys, ayun, ayoko talaga. Pet peeve ko talaga yung next, next, next. Okay? Ay, kung nagmamadali ka, hindi mo kailangang manood dito. Okay? Yan. Ayoko yung minamadali ako. Okay? This is not for you if lagi kang nagmamadali. Okay? Okay. What line divides the Earth into northern and southern hemispheres? Okay. Yes, kasi napaka-importante rin yung rationalization dito. Okay? Kasi ang let kasi hindi lang yan verbatim, okay? Ano siya na pwede siyang ma-extend, okay? Yan kaya nga pag naiisip ko yung mga ibang tanong na related doon, sinusulat ko na diyan para alam mo 'yon, hindi natin male-learn in isolation. Okay? Yan. Sabi niya. Sabi niya, same po, pet peeve ko rin yan, coach. Oo, nagmamadali, may padededehin ka. 'Di ba? At saka nakakabastos yung gano'n, okay? It's very ano, it's very impolite. Okay, so yes, the answer there is equator. Okay, so ang iba na naguguluhan din dito kasi north and south, 'di ba? Yung parang inisip nila yung north tapos south na pababa. Okay, so nagkakamali sila dun sa decision nila kung which one. Okay, so ito yung next. Okay, tingnan nyo. Number 15. What is the name of the imaginary line that runs from North Pole to South Pole? Okay, yan. Okay, yan. Yan. So, tingnan nyo pa rin, North Pole to South Pole. Pero ang sinasabi niya, that runs from North Pole to South Pole. Okay, yan. Or ang minsan lumalabas dito is kung nadi-divide between west and east hemisphere. Yan, okay? Yan, all right. So the answer there is prime meridian. Okay? Prime meridian. Okay? It is actually longitude, okay? It's not latitude, okay? It's longitude. Yung latitude is yung equator, okay? Yung equator. All right, next, number 16. What is the largest peninsula in the world? Ay, ito talaga sobrang gasgas. Okay, number 16. What is the largest peninsula in the world? Okay. Okay. Kailangan ba natin ng clue? Aha, yan. What is the largest peninsula in the world? Okay, so mag-message lang kayo sa Blue App para masali kayo sa aming GC na nagpo-post ako ng daily mock boards. Okay, alright. And yes, very good kayo dyan. Perfect kayo, okay? So it is Arabian Peninsula. Okay, ito naman lumalabas. Ma'am, ay, okay. Yung peninsula kasi, nakaano siya, ang lumalabas din sa peninsula is, it is surrounded by water sa three sides, okay? Kasi yung peninsula, para siyang nakausli. Okay? Nakausli siyang ganyan. Connected yung land doon sa mainland, pero nakausli siya. So, kaya three sides talaga yung ano lang, yung surrounded ng water. Kasi yung another side is connected sa mainland, okay? That is peninsula. Okay, yan. Sa ano naman, sa Pilipinas, lumalabas din. Okay. Ano yung malaking peninsula sa Pilipinas? Lumalabas din yon. Sige nga. Aha. Parang hindi, parang ang dami atang ano, mga mag-LPT na sa Mayo. Na andito. Alam na alam eh. Okay, good job kayo dyan. Okay, very good. Yes, it is Zamboanga. Ang galing niya eh. Okay, number 17. What is the main language spoken in Brazil? Okay, yan. Batanes pa yung iniisip ko. Yan. Alright, what is the main language spoken in Brazil? Okay, aba, nag-away ang Spanish at Portuguese. Okay, main language of Brazil. Okay. All right, okay. Good job kayo dyan. Yes, so the answer there is Portuguese. Okay, Portuguese. All right, number 18. Lumalabas din to. What was the name of the invisible barrier that divided Europe during the Cold War? Okay. Yan. Galing nyo nga. Okay. What was the name? Number 18 tayo. What was the name of the invisible barrier that divided Europe during the Cold War? Okay. Ang sinasabi natin ay invisible. Okay. Imaginary. Okay. Yon. Berlin Wall, is it imaginary ba yon? Yung Berlin Wall, guys? Yon. Okay, alright. So kahit papaano may sumagot naman na tama na dalawa. Okay, very good. Okay, so yan. Very good kayo dyan. Pero kung nagkamali kayo, okay lang. Alright? And the answer there is Iron Curtain. Okay, lumalabas po yan. Ang isa pang lumalabas dyan is sino, okay? Or sa nabanggit itong Iron Curtain sa speech nino. Okay, sige nga. Sige. So, ginamit itong word na to, okay, sa isang speech. Nino. Okay, lumalabas din po yon. Sige nga po. Ay, nako, ang galing nyo naman. Okay. Feeling ko, ano't mga to eh. Mga batak na sa ano to eh. Mga batak na kayo sa review eh. Obviously. Kaya easy na ito yung mga tanong ko sa inyo. Very good. Yes, it's Winston Churchill. Yes. Yan. Okay, good job kayo dyan. Number 19, what was the name of the trade route connecting Europe and Asia? Okay, yan. So, lumalabas din po to. What was the name of the... Nakakainis naman kayo. Ang gagaling nyo. Okay, so wag na nating patagalin. Of course, yes. What is the name of the trade route connecting Europe and Asia? Yes, it is the Silk Road. Okay, very good. Okay, next. And the last one, okay. What law was enacted by the American colonial government to suppress Filipino resistance by labeling revolutionaries as bandits? Okay, yan. Yan. What law was enacted by the American colonial governments to suppress Filipino resistance by labeling revolutionaries as bandits? Okay, yan. Or nagnanakaw daw sila. Okay, parang ganon. Okay, ang isang ano naakusahan at pinatay na ang kaso nito, ang kaso na ginadala is si Macario Sakay. Okay, yan. Yan. So he was found guilty of this one, of this act. And then ano, pinatay siya, okay? Yan. Okay, very good kayo John. All right. So the answer there is Brigandage Act. Okay, good job. All right, good job. Okay, maraming salamat. And I hope marami akong natutunan sa inyo. Kasi ang gagaling nyo eh. Okay, good job. Ayan, so yung mga ano pa, yung mga magre-review pa lang sa LET, okay? Yan. Mag-message lang kayo sa Blue App ko. Okay, yan. So, as I have said, ano ulit, pag next week mag-start na tayo, okay? Pag Tuesday, Gurograbi tayo, 20 points. And then Thursday is magpapalit ang Gen Ed at saka Prof Ed, okay? Intensive talaga yon, okay? Talagang rationalization and all, okay? So, umpisahan ko sa mga, kung ano yung lumabas ngayong March 2026, okay? Yan. Okay? And then, pag Saturdays, social science majorship. Okay? So, kung social science ka at may extra pera ka naman, you can enroll with me. It's very, very cheap. Okay? Yan. It's just 299 pero open pa ang slots for early birds. Okay? So, it's just 249. Okay? And then, meron din yung 300 item drills natin weekly. Okay? Na 150 with rationalization and PDF. Okay? Pero pag wala po kayong budget, it's okay. May pa-free pa akong daily mockboards every day. And then yung itong Gurograbi natin at saka yung ating live every Thursday, they are also free. Okay, yan. Okay, so ano yung magkano package, ma'am? Ma'am, normal ba na hindi alam lahat? Oo naman. Oo naman. Ako nga, 10 months ako nag-review, okay? Pero actually, the more na nagre-review ka, the more na malalaman mo na mas marami ka pang hindi alam. But it doesn't mean na hindi ka ready. Kasi, kahit pa paano, critical thinking pa rin talaga. Even Gen Ed, pwede mo talagang gamitin yung critical thinking mo. Okay, yan. Sa mga package, i-message nyo lang ako kung ano yung package na gusto nyo. Okay? Yan. 9 o'clock ako laging nagla-live, okay? Math, thank you so much for this quick, very, very helpful review. Of course, yes. Sa math, math, sa Tuesday, okay? Pero yung mga easy lang na math, okay? Yung mga common na lumalabas like area of a circle, okay, yan. Laging lumalabas, tapos yung mga volume, yung mga yon. Okay, yun ang ipapalabas natin. Alright? Okay. So, yun. English major. Okay. Ayan, so mag-start na kayo. Sa totoo lang, yung friend ko, yan, naging beshi ko siya. Naging beshi-beshi ko sa kaka-review namin. Nung second year college pa lang siya. Okay, nagtitake kasi siya. Nag-review na siya. So, top 2 siya sa amin. Okay, yan. Okay, so it's okay na mag-review na kayo. Pakunti-kunti lang ba, ganyan, para maano nyo na rin kung paano yung tanungan. Okay, masanay na rin kayo. Okay, so maraming maraming salamat po and message me. Okay, alright. So see you again on Tuesday for another Gurography. Okay, alright. Bye bye. Bye bye, guys.